How long does it take to train for home haemodialysis?
I think it depends a lot on the patient. It took me, I think, between 8 and 12 months, something like that, because it takes quite a while to get used to. Obviously, you know, learning to put the needles into yourself is, I think that's a big thing in a lot of people's minds when home haemodialysis is first mentioned to them. But the support you get is just phenomenal. And at no point do you ever feel like you're just going to be left to manage this. You know, you're supported and monitored right the way through until obviously the dialysis team are sure that you're going to be safe, happy and feel confident enough to dialyse at home.
Before having haemodialysis at home, of course, you receive expert training from your home haemodialysis team. Your dialysis nurses in the dialysis units, main dialysis units, can also help with training as well. The training will go at a pace that suits you and your dialysis partner, but generally takes between 6 to 12 weeks. Some people need less time, some people need a little bit more time. Your dialysis team though will do their best to accommodate your learning needs.